Hi guys, Mia from Mia's World and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are welcoming you to the beautiful island of Costa Maya. This port is designed like a destination in itself. So the moment you step off the ship, you are already surrounded by things to see, things to taste, and things to experience. As you walk down the pier toward the central plaza, of course, the very first stop you'll come to is the large duty-free shop. This is a can't-miss spot for many cruisers. But friends, stepping out of the duty-free shop area, you'll arrive at Costa Maya's vibrant plaza, the true heart of the port. This open-air village is filled with colorful storefronts, local artisans, and handmade crafts. You'll find jewelry, pottery, textiles, and authentic Mexican souvenirs unique to this region. The atmosphere is lively, with music drifting through the walkways and performers appearing throughout the day. As we moved through the plaza, we were on the lookout for one of Costa Maya's most iconic sites, the Veladores de Paplanta. Jesus, please. I know I butchered that up. But anyway, these performers are known for their breathtaking ritual dance, where they climb a tall pole, tie themselves to the ropes, and gracefully spin towards the ground while music plays from above. On this visit, we did not see the Veladores performance, but their presence is an unforgettable part of Costa Maya experience. If you're lucky enough to catch them on your trip, it's worth pausing to watch and take in this piece of living Mexican heritage.
Eye specialist. They're from Georgia.
Hi, I'm Lazarus. What's your name?
Mia.
Mia? Nice to meet you. And you?
Serious.
Serious? Ooh, beautiful name.
Serious is cool. I like it.
Serious.
Show them the one for the eyes. You know about it better than me. Thank you.
This is your first time in one of the spa?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'm sorry for my accent. My English is like this, like that. So I told you this. So we are an American company with a lot of stuff in the USA.
Now guys, Costa Maya is not just about shopping. Food and drinks are front and center here as well. Restaurants and bars wrap around the plaza, offering authentic tacos, fresh seafood, and classic Mexican cocktails. Many have outdoor seating so you can enjoy your meal while taking in the scenery and live entertainment. One of the biggest draws of the port is its saltwater swimming pool complex. With plenty of lounge chairs, a swim-up bar, and even built-in shade areas. It's perfect for a relaxing day, steps away from the ship, order a margarita, cool off in the pool, and enjoy the festive vibes without having to go very far. Costa Maya's port also brings Mexican culture to you. Throughout the day, you'll see traditional dancers and vibrant costumes, hear live music, and watch artisans at work. These experiences are great photo opportunities and add an authentic touch to your visit. What makes Costa Maya's port area so special is how self-contained it is. Whether you're shopping, dining, swimming, or simply strolling through the plaza, you can enjoy a full day without ever leaving the secure port. Guys, that's a wrap on our visit to Costa Maya. Thank you for joining us on this beautiful journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you haven't done so already, because our next cruise adventure is just around the corner.